Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss on the top 3 print-on-demand niches. So let's just dive into it. First, let's look at what is a print-on-demand niche. Before we get into the power of print-on-demand niches, let's clarify what a print-on-demand store is. Print on demand or POD is the fulfillment model that allows suppliers to place designs on products. These items are regular clothing like t shirts and hoodies and can go from mugs, towels, art prints, phone cases, and much more. As a seller, your sole task is to find best selling POD products, select a POD service for fulfillment, create your own designs, list them on your store, and start marketing. Now, to start your print on demand business, you start asking yourself questions like what are the best niches for print on demand? What types of products will you sell? Is it possible to get noticed in such a competitive market? Should you sell lots of items or focus on just one niche? These are the questions that most newcomers ask themselves when they are contemplating a print on demand business. They are also the decisions that end up making any newbies procrastinate for so long that they even fail to get started. So, in this video, we are going to single out 3 print on demand niches that are hugely popular and profitable. Let's jump in and get started. Number 1, animals and pets. The first print on demand niche we are going to be talking about today is all about pets. People love spending money on their beloved fur babies and are spending more and more every year. This has led to a huge market for animal related products. Cats and dogs, of course, rule this niche, but it is not just pet accessories and beds. People are now purchasing ironic and funny pet related clothing, art, and ornaments for themselves. They want to show their love for their pets. You can cater to all of them by choosing the right kind of designs related to animals and pets in your print on demand product store. Let's search on Redbubble for products related to the animal niche. As you can see over here, there are tons of them. They can be a t shirt with cats and dogs, of pictures of quotes on it, or it can be a phone case with a cute cat design for cat lovers. Or you can also use popular memes to give your products an edgy touch. And if we search specifically for cats, there are all these products. We are sure the same would be the case for dogs as well. Now let's see how many people search for this niche on Google. For this, visit Google Trend. In the search bar, type cat and press enter. You will be taken to the search results page, and here you can see the interest over time graph that shows that the search and interest for cats is continuously increasing over time. You can also search for dog and see the results that it is also increasing over time. This proves that you absolutely can make money from this idea, even in a saturated niche as animals and pets, as long as you have a unique take on it. Number 2, families and couples. The families and couples niche would be perfect for virtually any print on demand store. Items in this POD niche are ideally for family gatherings, trips, parties, gender reveals, etc. It's also super cute for couples as there is no shortage of people looking for ways to visually declare their love. Products in this POD niche are profitable because they have a strong emotional element that helps drive sales. They are usually bought as gifts. They are often attached to an event like an anniversary, birthday, or holiday. Now let's again visit Google Trend and search for, say, dad. On the search results page, you can see that the interest over time graph increased continuously. Now let's try searching for husband and wife. And you can see on this one as well, the interest has increased over time. To get success in this niche, we recommend going for products that have a unique theme. For example, you can mash two groups and make designs accordingly and sell them like father and daughter hoodies, mother and daughter t shirts, brother and sister shirts, best brother mugs, twin t shirts, and so on. You can also add loving quotes and catchphrases to cater to a wider audience. There are many memes available too, which are really trendy and people find them appropriate for gifting purposes, especially in the brother sister category. If you think about it, the possibilities are plenty. You just have to know which category of the niche you're interested in and which one will work for your preferences and your store. Number three, jobs and hobbies. Many people are extremely passionate about their hobbies and they are keen to show off their interests with hobby specific t shirts and other garments. When it comes to job related niches, these are the sorts of items that are almost always bought as a gift. People love to buy their friends or colleagues gifts featuring work related quotes, catchphrases, and pictures or even memes. There are hundreds of job roles in this niche that you can build products around. It is even possible to build an entire business just selling to a particular subgroup, say for the military or even doctors. Now, if we search on Redbubble for something like nurse, we can see a ton of products here, which means this is a good category in this niche. Now, let's visit Google Trend and search for, say, doctor. You can see that the graph over here increased over time. So, for this category that is doctors, you can create mugs with happy doctors, day wishes, or a t shirt with a doctor related quote on it, etc. Let's now search for chef. This is a popular category in the niche, especially because most people are interested in cooking and love referring to themselves as chefs. Here you can see the graph has been increasing since the beginning. So, in this way, you can find out the best niches as well as the trending categories in different niches. Hopefully, our list of profitable print on demand niches has helped spark some ideas for your own products and given you an insight into how to market and sell your items effectively on Redbubble. Print on demand is a fantastic business model for budding online entrepreneurs. When thinking about how to start a print on demand business, remember to stick to the print on demand niche of your choice. Choose one that evokes strong emotions and create products that resonate with passionate enthusiasts and subcultures. That way, you will reach online success in no time. And that brings this video to an end. We truly hope it helps you build your print on demand business. If you have any suggestions of niches, let us know in the comments below. For more such videos, stay tuned and stay subscribed.